Hi, I'm Jason Reeder. I am the parts manager here at Home Appliance in Massillon, Ohio. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the RPWFE filter on this GE refrigerator. The first thing we're going to do is locate where your filter is at inside the refrigerator. We're going to open up both doors. Up here in the left-hand corner, you'll find where the filter cover is. Opening the filter door will reveal your filter. As you notice up here, this is your filter head. There are two notches on the filter head, which is where we want to align your filter as we bring it out. Once brought out in line with those two notches, you can actually pull the filter straight out. Now you'll take the new filter out of the packaging. As you take the filter out, you'll notice the filter is wrapped in cellophane. Also at this time, you want to note that the filter is marked with a front as well as back, which we will explain here as we put the filter in. This is what they consider the back of the filter housing. When installing the new filter, you want to line up the word back on the filter with the back of the housing. With the filter lined up, we're going to press firmly until the filter locks in place, and then rotate the filter towards the back liner. With the filter in place, you can go ahead and close the filter cover. GE wants you to use certified filters. To ensure this, they are using microchips within the filter to allow it to sync directly to the refrigerator. After the filter is replaced, it's important to purge all of the air out of the water line. The best way to do this is to use a cup or a pitcher and run approximately 1 to 3 gallons of water into the pitcher and dump that water out. We stock a full line of both water and air filters, as well as many other accessories. Hopefully this video helped you. If you have any further questions, please reach out to our service team. We'd be glad to help you.